if you are a fan of Baba GHANOUSH and you want to make it yourself, then this video is for you, so keep on watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Baba GHANOUSH at home. For this recipe you are going to need eggplants, olive oil, cumin powder, lemon, garlic, parsley, salt, and tahini sauce. Start by mashing the eggplant and then finely chop it. After the eggplant is ready, add the olive oil, the salt, and the cumin powder. Cut the lemon in small pieces and then go ahead and squeeze it. You can use a strainer in order to prevent any seeds going in. Now go ahead and mix well so that all ingredients can combine. Now it's time for the garlic, so go ahead and finely chop it, or in my case I'm going to be using a garlic masher. Now go ahead and finely chop the parsley and then combine it with the rest of the ingredients. Last but not least, go ahead and add the tahini sauce and mix well. And it's ready. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not yet, then please hit that subscribe button if you are interested in my video. Don't forget the bell notification so that you get notified every time when I upload a new video and you never miss another good and interesting healthy recipe. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!